What's up everyone, Corey Parks back again with HydroHelp911. Wanted to shoot a video on how to waterproof your crawl space from the exterior. Now in this video, this is a one and done, or what I refer to as the buy once, cry once when it comes to waterproofing your crawl space from the exterior. First step is install gutters on your home if there currently isn't any. Keep the gutters clean and free of leaves and debris. Best practice is to clean them twice a year, but if you live under a bunch of trees, it may take 4 or 5 times. Extend all your gutters away from your home using PVC piping. Gutters should empty at least 6 foot away from your home, but the further is better. It is preferred that they empty at the road, in a drainage ditch, or into the woods where the water will run downhill away from your foundation. Next, probably the biggest step, dig your crawl space completely out all the way down to the footing. Most building codes only require crawl spaces to be damp proofed. We disagree with this approach. We believe in the no water in your crawl space approach. This truly is one area where you cannot overkill. We prefer a 3-layer system and pressure washing the walls clean so that the products will stick to your foundation walls, ensuring a lasting solution. The first layer, a skim coat of mortar or surface bond. This layer reduces the size of the pores in the concrete or block, allowing our next layer to be that much more effective. Second layer, a liquid applied waterproof coating. We prefer a spray-on coating. This ensures that the waterproof product gets in every little nook, crack, and crevice. And lastly, the third layer, drainage board. If any water was to get up next to the foundation, the drainage board will allow a free channel for that water to flow down to the foundation drains. While the basement is dug out and before backfilling, install that foundation drain, or also known as footer tile. Make sure that that footer drain or footer tile goes beside the footing and that it is wrapped like a burrito with DOT approved, non-woven geotextile fabric to prevent drains from clogging over time. Now, this fabric is not a fabric that you can go to your local Home Depot or Lowe's and get. You're going to have to go to a specialty store to source this material. This is why a lot of contractors choose to skip this step. Next, backfill the entire overdig area with stone that is wrapped in that same DOT approved geotextile fabric. By backfilling with stone, this significantly reduces any settlement. It also allows water to freely flow down to the foundation drain, preventing hydrostatic pressure from pushing inward on the walls. Next, put a layer of soil on top of the gravel up against the home that is 15 to 20 inches thick so that you can plant your bushes and or flowers. We want this soil to slope away from the home. This will add another layer of protection from water getting into your home, ensuring that water drains from the foundation and from around the house. Make sure that the grading around your home has plenty of slope. The North Carolina and South Carolina building code requires 6 inches for the first 10 feet away from your foundation. We recommend more. This is the bare minimum. We recommend 8 to 10 inches for the first 10 foot. This number can actually be more and is based on the following: how new is the home and how deep are the footers for the home. We ask these things because if you built your home 2 months ago and you dug down 4 foot for the footers for your crawl space, the amount of settlement that will occur will be significantly more than with a home that the footers are only 16 inches down. This is where the code does not do a good job, and why we stress to people that the building code is the minimum. Lastly, ensure that all concrete around the home, such as driveways, sidewalks, patios, slope away from the home. If they do not, installation of channel drains is highly recommended. Next, reinstall the flower beds and your grass and you're good to go. Hopefully this helps you better understand how to waterproof your crawl space from the exterior. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to us at 704-813-9554. Until next time.